Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are deep cleaning the living room.
Welcome back, guys. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to move as much out of the living room as possible. Something else we're doing that is a little bit different is we are going to be moving the furniture around. Michael and I were just ready for a whole new look. So we are going to be moving the couch. So first thing we're going to do is sweep the pieces of the living room floor that we can see. After that, we're going to take the mop and we are going to mop the floor as well. Michael is going to take this time to dust some things behind scene. I'm also going to take our dust Swiffer and I'm going to clean the walls that we can see right now that aren't covered by the couch. Or in the corner over there, I don't know if you can tell, we have a little rack. Here go the pillows. So here we are trying to figure out where we're going to move the couch and make sure that everything is on slides like it's supposed to be. This couch is extra heavy, which is why I definitely needed Michael's help. We're deciding to pull it out before we put it in the spot we need. Oh guys, gross. All that stuff was underneath the couch. Anyway, we move the couch forward and we're going to sweep. While I'm sweeping, my husband is lint rolling the whole entire couch, mainly focusing on the back as we have a hard time getting to that in the first place. The reason we're doing this is because we do have a cat and she does shed, and one of her favorite spots is to sleep on top of that couch. So we just decided if we're going to really deep clean, we're going to really deep clean it all. Once I'm done sweeping, I take our dust Swiffer and I take it all around the walls that I hadn't already touched. Normally what I do for the baseboards is I take a wet washcloth and just take it around, but the baseboards were not that bad, so I just used the Swiffer. Next, I took the magic eraser and started taking some of the black pieces off the wall. Guys, this is my husband. He thinks he is hysterical. Most of the time he is. Anyway, after I am done, I take the Swiffer again and continue doing the walls and the ceilings because I noticed some spider webs up there, and then taking the Swiffer at the bottom and making sure nothing is on the floor anymore. Once I'm done with that, I then take our mop and I make sure that the floors are all nice and clean. While I'm doing that, my husband is dusting our light, which it desperately needed. And we're back to moving the couch. And it took a lot of man effort, like I said earlier, to move this couch. And we're just going to swing it against the wall so that it kind of cuts off between our living room and our dining room. For those of you who have watched the vlogs before, know that we don't have any separation between the living room and the dining room. Now we're going to be taking out the rack, and we are going to say bye-bye to that. And I'm going to dust, sweep, and mop over in that corner because that corner is going to turn into where the TV is going to go. once we finally move the TV, we end up moving the lamp back in its proper spot. This is the end product. It took us forever to find a way we love it, but I think it actually looks pretty good. And now it's all nice and clean, and guys, I wish I could have shown you a better picture of behind the couch. It was horrible. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.